matter whether your student loans are deferred and forbearance or what state they're in, they have to be dealt with. And we have to assess a payment even if you don't have a payment showing.
Okay.
And that's what a lot of people get tripped up on. Well, I'm in deferment or I'm on forbearance. Well, it doesn't matter to the lender.
Right.
Once upon a time it did, but that was a long time ago. So there's no sense of bringing up the glory is past. We're in the present.
Right.
So, for example, if you're at a place where maybe you can do a conventional loan, there's a couple things you may be able to do. One, you may be able to put your loans into an income-based repayment. So, for example, you have $200,000 in student loans. I know that's a huge number. Well, your income-based repayment is $200 a month, as opposed to if your 1% payment, which is kind of a standard, what we would use if we didn't see a payment, is $2,000 a month.
Okay.
So that would throw off anybody's debt to income.
Right.
So, or almost anybody. I don't speak for the masses. Making that money. But for, I guess, garden variety folks, it would throw off their debt to income. So, so what we would need you to do, even in a COVID environment, was get your income-based repayment, find out what it is, and a lot of folks had it prior to COVID, and their student loans were just forced into forbearance without them even asking for it.
Right.
So we would want to know what that income-based repayment was, so we can use it as we're preliminarily calculating. And two, if everything sounded like it was a go and you liked what's being offered and you were ready to move, you would have to put those student loans back into repayment.
Okay.
Use that income-based, because I need paperwork showing that.
Sure.
The flip side of that, let's suppose you are doing an FHA loan. Well, FHA does not care about income-based repayments.
Okay.
They only want to see a 1% payment if there's no payment showing. They want to see 1%, or they want to see what we call a fully amortizing payment. So that income-based repayment won't do. So most garden variety, most FHA loans, we're just sticking in 1%.
Sure.
So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, as far as your particular debt to income.